Hi, my name is Lennie and I'm a professional makeup artist. And today we're doing a music festival makeup look. Let's go! Okay, for this look, I'm going to start by priming my lids because we're gonna use a lot of color. So let's start applying our primer. And the shadow we're gonna start with is this one by Juvia's Place. It's called the Zulu by Juvia's, and as you can see, it's very colorful. So we're gonna start with this green color here, and we're gonna apply that green color in the entire lid. We're using a big brush because this is going to be smoked out in the entire lid. Since this is a shimmer, you wanna pat the color so you get the full payoff of the color. And you can build this up on the entire lid and just up to the opacity that you want. I love this palette because the color and the payoff of the color is amazing. And we're gonna move to the other one that we're gonna be using, and this is Norvina's collection with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the volume 1. And we're gonna be using this shimmer here, and it's the B3. And we're gonna apply that on the inner corner because we wanna have like transition between both colors, the blue and the pink, which is an amazing combination. And I'm gonna use a flat brush. Sorry, I couldn't find my brush. And we're gonna apply in the inner corners and then play a little bit maybe in the outer part. I love the combination between pink and this like minty blue. It's amazing. And this palette, I mean the payoff, you can see the pink is amazing. It's beautiful. If you love color like me, you need to get this palette. Now, I'm going to be using a liner. These are the Glam Vice Retro Liner, and I think the color I wanna go with is Key Lime. These liners are so easy to use because you activate them with water and they slide very, very nice. They have a great payoff. They don't break apart and they last very long. So I'm gonna be using this to line my outer part. That's why I clean it up, because I wanna follow this line over here. And I want the liner to be very sharp. And I want to line from the middle part to the outer part of the eyes. I'm not gonna make a line to the entire eye. Okay, let's do it on the other eye. Okay, now that my eyes are partially finished, I'm going to finish my face and I'll be right back. So now that I finished my face, I apply my lashes, all that, I'm going to finish the bottom part of the eyes. And I'm going to go back to the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to take this kind of brush and I'm going to hit this color here. And I'm going to apply it in the waterline, very close to the bottom lashes. And do the same thing, both eyes of course. We don't want to smoke it out yet because I'm going to do something very fun. So we want to keep this color very close to the lashes. And now with the other palette, I'm going to take the pink again, and I'm going to take this flat brush, and I'm going to apply this color in the outer part of the eye here. And I want to take it down and diffuse it to mix it with the blush and the highlighter. But you want to make sure that when you take it down, it's not as concentrated as it would be here. You can use your finger to further blend, and I'm going to just concentrate it a little bit more in here. Again, your fingers are the best blenders because you can basically blend and erase with them. And this looks awesome because it's going to mix with the highlighter, with the blush, and it's amazing. It's a great technique. I love this technique. Gonna do the same thing in here. Always look straight when you want to make sure that everything is symmetrical. You can even take it a little bit to the temples, almost to the temples if you want, or to the temples, that's up to you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush here. I'm going to clean it a little bit because it had another color. And I'm going to take this color. It's a matte shade in the Norvina's palette. Is the number A.A. And I'm just going to blend the green with that shade in the bottom, just to complement the pink that we already applied here. Very softly, you don't need to go very hard with the brush. And maybe take that same pink and just emphasize the inner part. Just dab it softly again. And I'm going to take a flat brush like the one we took with the green, this one, and I'm going to apply that same color in the inner part, in the bottom of the lid here. This is a very colorful festival look where I love color, and this is something that I would definitely wear for a festival. To finish it up, I'm going to put this green liner in the waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. Let me reapply a little bit of the blush, and that will be it. And this is the final look. I hope you like it and recreate it, and if you do, don't forget to tag me using my Instagram account, Makeupbylennie. See you next time. Bye bye. Yo. Yeah.